This is a short video on the clinical use of the Three Treasures remedy, ringing metal. Ringing metal is a variation of the Chinese formula Qing Qi Hua Tan Tang, which means clearing qi and resolving phlegm decoction, which is a great formula to use for the second stage of an invasion of wind. It can be wind cold or wind heat, and this formula is used not at the beginning stages when the wind is on the exterior, but when the pathogenic factor has penetrated into the interior and there is heat and phlegm in the lungs. So it's for Phlegm-Heat in the lungs following an invasion of wind, which from the point of view of the 4 levels would correspond to the qi level. And Chinese medicine and this type of formula especially are very effective in treating the following stages after an invasion of wind. And the main symptoms would be a fever, aversion to heat, the patient feels hot, thirst, and most of all a cough, a pronounced cough with expectoration of yellow mucus, which would indicate phlegm heat in the lungs. The tongue would be red at the qi level, and even if the tongue is not red, it would have a sticky yellow coating. And the pulse would be slippery and rapid. And as I said, Chinese herbs are very effective in treating this type of situation, also because some of the herbs contained in this formula actually have an antibacterial and antiviral function. The dosage for this type of situation should be at least 9 tablets a day. And as I said, this type of herbs are very effective in treating chest infections following an invasion of wind, replacing the need for the use of antibiotics. However, even if the patient is taking antibiotics, this formula can still be used. It can be combined with Chinese herbs because antibiotics have an antibacterial function, but they do not clear heat or resolve phlegm. So sometimes, occasionally, if the patient is already taking antibiotics and is coming to me for treatment, I still use this formula, and there is no contradiction or interaction. And this concludes this short video on the use of ringing metal for acute chest infections.